Hey, HIST 101 students, Professor Benelo here with a little sneak peek into what will be going on in Unit 2. Remember, Unit 2 is huge because of Unit 2 discussion board. We will get into that. But first, let me go over my office hour chat schedule for this week, everybody. January 10th, Monday, January 10th, I will have my office hours as usual from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then Tuesday, which will be January 11th, I'll be holding chat number 2 at our regularly scheduled time. Check classroom for details. And we will be going over a ton on Tuesday. It will be interesting. We're going to be going over the civil rights movement. We're going to be going over the Vietnam War. I mean, just incredible what we'll be going over. We're going to go hit the main events of the 1960s. So we're going to have a lot of interesting things to discuss on Tuesday. Okay, so your remaining Unit 1 due date is going to be Tuesday, which will be January 12th. That will be your Unit 1 in telepath, which will be due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, Unit 2 due dates, very, very important. Unit 2 discussion board is broken down into 2 due dates. Okay, so on Friday, which will be January 15th, you will have 2 things due, my wonderful students. Firstly, on Friday, January 15th, you will have Unit 2 determined knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Remember, everybody, it's incredibly important to get your determined knowledge in by the Friday due date each week, because completing the determined knowledge by the Friday due date allows the IntelliPath system to create the learning path or nodes that you must complete for the Tuesday deadline. So then secondly, and very importantly, on Friday, January 15th, you will have your Unit 2 discussion board original post or introductory post due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Remember, the original post, which is due January 15th, is when you pick one of the 6 topics from the topic list and analyze that primary document. Okay, so that's what's due on Friday, January 15th. On Tuesday, which will be January 19th, you're also going to have 2 important things due. Firstly, on January 19th, Tuesday, January 19th, you will have your Unit 2 in telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then secondly, on January 19th, you will have your Unit 2 discussion board responses due. And this is where you have to respond to 2 of your classmates. So, and remember, I love my students. You all are so incredibly supportive of one another, but just don't leave it at, great job, Jake. I really enjoyed reading your work. You hit all the points that you were supposed to. Can't wait to read more of your work. Well, that is amazing and so supportive. I want you to tailor your post to your classmates' post, and I want you to answer the 4 questions that you see in the assignment for that portion. Okay, so remember, very, very important to complete all your assignments. Remember, the key to the 5.5-week semester is getting things done early and turn things early. Don't let it snowball. And of course, I have posted 3 videos on Thursday of me explaining Unit 2 discussion board. Never hesitate to contact me with absolutely any questions. All right, everybody. I hope this helps, and I hope you have a wonderful week. I will see you in our second chat on Tuesday. Have a good one.